Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I've built the main platform for my rear storage setup. It was actually the first time I worked on wood, so it might be pretty interesting. So for this platform I use some 15mm plywood. I started as usual with a few measurements. I drew some lines and then it was time to cut. I did a lot of test fits and the first one was pretty satisfying, but it needed a few adjustments. So for this I used the plastic thing of the trunk as a template, and then I cutted some woods on each corners. It was pretty nice, but I could do better. Okay, now we're talking about something. Suddenly it started to rain, but let's get back to work. I've made the fits of this platform with some thick wood. I used some big screws to fit them. And on this side, I needed to clear the way for those cables. So this means more cutting. And then I built a little wall to separate the spare tire well in two parts. I also needed to fill those two holes on each side. I used the old trunk parts as a template. This cut was a little bit more tricky, but I'm pretty satisfied with the result. The idea was that they were foldable, so I put a hinge on both of them. Did the same on the other side. I also secured the whole platform to the car with this system. And then I wanted to create two stashes to get a full access of the spare tire well. After some finishing, it was time to paint it. Ta-da! And the platform is done! I'm really happy with it. So I called it the main platform because on this side I'm gonna have a big drawer, and on top of this drawer the fridge, and on this side I'm gonna have the kitchen setup. So everything is gonna be on it. Something I really wanted for this platform is two stash to get a full access of the spare tire well. So I just have to open this little trapdoor to have access of my auxiliary battery system here on this side, and on the other side I just have more storage room. Okay, so that's it for today and for the main platform of my storage setup. So I really hope you liked it and maybe you can get a few ideas from it to build your own. I still have plenty of work to do, so please stay tuned for the next episode. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account, my Facebook page and my merch store. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week. Oh, and by the way, you can totally go check Soft Loading the West YouTube channel. This is just awesome.